Guys, I found a high potential project that is redefining gaming and metaverse in the crypto space. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of Aureal One. A link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, it's redefining the future of gaming and the metaverse, guys, with the world's first blockchain network that is designed for these industries. So it is built to accommodate the high performance demand of modern gaming. And just like those AAA games, guys, it will be able to handle those type of games. Now, Aureal One delivers near zero gas fees and lightning fast transaction speeds that enables seamless and cost-efficient experience for players and the developers as well. Now, at the core of Aureal One's ecosystem is its innovative blockchain. It is leveraging the Zero-Knowledge Rollups, or the ZK-Rollups as we call that in the cryptocurrency space, for its unmatched scalability, the speed, and the security that it brings. So supporting thousands of transactions per second, the platform's ensuring instant finality, making it the ideal foundation for complex gaming interactions and immersive virtual world. And as you have noticed, guys, we have transitioned from, play to earn games that are blocky back then, like the pixelized blockchain games back then that have actually made it a little bit in the crypto space, to transitioning to those AAA type first-person shooter games, MMORPG games that are really supporting really high graphics and all that, like more than realistic graphics. So those are the type of games that Aureal One can actually still, support. Now, the Aureal One ecosystem is showcasing its capabilities through two of its flagship projects. The first of which is Darkloom Metaverse, which is introducing a decentralized virtual universe wherein users can own, trade, and monetize their assets while collaboratively building expansive digital cities in the digital world. So basically, this is real life. That is the digital world. You are like bringing whatever you have here into the metaverse. So that is how powerful, blockchain network is, play to earn games are, and Aureal One can handle all those types of games. Now, the Clash of Tile, which is the second flagship project that they have, is offering a dynamic tile-based strategy game wherein players deploy cryptocurrency, meme coins, or stocks to wage the real-time battles that is influenced by the real-world price movement. Now, it sets it apart because, like other games that are doing type of concept games, the developers are the one just entering whatever they deem fit, right? But for this one, they are incorporating the real world price of those tokens, which is really, really good because it is actually, taking that biased side of games, like where developers are the one putting in the skills and all that, leaving it all up to the real world price actions that dictates the strength of whatever tile or whatever token you are using in the game. Now, these projects highlight the platform's potential with many more games that are to follow. So they are continuously expanding, they are continuously evolving, adding more and more super high quality games into their ecosystem. Now, the key features of Aureal One also includes the true digital ownership, the monetization opportunities, and gaming optimized architecture. So the players can transfer creativity and in-game assets into real-world value while actually enjoying the collaborative and competitive experience that they are getting with Aureal One. Now, developers could also benefit from the blockchain tailored to their needs and supporting the rich interactive environments without the limitations of traditional networks out there. Now, the early adopters can join the revolution by acquiring the D-Loom tokens at the best possible price during the initial offering phase. Now, let me go ahead and show you this, guys. All right. So the next price increase of the DLoom coin is at 22.2%. The current price is at 0.0009%. So make sure to do your own research, make it quick. That way you could still capitalize and take advantage of the lowest price that you could possibly get. Hopefully you could still, get that 0.0009 before it increases by 22.2%. And guys, the listing price is at 0.005%, which is 511.11% already. Now, there are different payment methods that you could utilize. You have the Ethereum, the BNB, you have Matic, the credit card. And if you click on other, there are other tokens that you could use, all right, depending on what you want to use for swapping it to your DLoom tokens. So you could connect your wallet, you could log in with your Gmail, however you want to, whichever method you want to use, it's totally up to you. And guys, this is their white paper, okay? You could do your own research and you can start here. This has a lot of information that talks about the project as well, which will help you in knowing what you're getting yourself into and making informed decisions before you make your purchases. But again, guys, this is one of the high potential projects that I found that you guys need to go ahead and check out. So in this video, guys, we checked out Aureal One, what it is and what it could offer. Go ahead and check them out. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.